Hillclimb in Wales brings a host of many fun and exciting things. So this weekend we've visited Ralph's Cider Farm in New Radnor, Powys, where the vintage sports car rally is supposed to be happening. The rally has been cancelled, they're still doing the hill climb on the hill, so I brought along my friend Pete.
Good morning.
To join us this weekend. There's cider, there's vintage vehicles, there's cattle. So we're going to go and have a look and see what's going on.
Wet hills of Wales. It's October, and in October a spiffing motor event unlike any other takes place. It's called a hill climb. It's a rally over the top of some of the highest, steepest, wettest, dirtiest, grimiest parts of the Welsh terrain. Some of these carriages will be doing nearly 20 miles an hour. It's quite a hairy event. Chaps and lasses get 2 days of knee trembling and bone shaking on a Welsh dirty weekend. Fantastic.
Every year when we come to visit Ralph's, we always end up standing and admiring the Series 1 Land Rover. Land Rover first went into production on the 30th of April 1948 with the Series 1.
Interestingly, in 1949, the Army ordered so many Series 1 Land Rovers that the standard colour was dark military green. Talk about a barn find.
Should we go and have a pint of Ralph's cider?
Sounds good.
Go on then.
I've been trying to be my own guiding star, but it appears it hasn't taken me very far. I've tried to be my own all in all and everything, but it's just been a hard and arduous thing. When I look back upon the life I have lived and the choices I have made, what do I see? All hell fails when I try to push my way, but when I gave in, all life's good came running at me. With an open heart and mind and arms laid down, your wall of hate and arms let in the light of day and let Jesus show the way. But hey, I'm not religious in an old sense. I can't stand the way that most priests talk in the state church or elsewhere. After having tried to decide each time I had to make a choice about something worthwhile, now I take a pause and I take a breath and listen to them, and I know how to begin. With an open heart and mind and arms laid down, your wall and hate and arms let in the light of day and let Jesus show the way. But hey, I'm not religious in an old sense. I can't stand the way that most priests talk in the state church or elsewhere. Try to get it right from the start. Unite mind and heart. Choose a way. Don't go astray and try to ease the pain. Don't stay the same. Love your neighbor, that's the labor. Lately, I've been questioning my own path. Who knows how long it will last or where it will go. Now I take one step back and I watch what's going on, and I relieve the need to know. the broken heart and mind and arms laid down. Your war and hate and arms let in the light of day and let Jesus show the way. But hey, I'm not religious and I'm old since I can't stand the way that most priests talk in the state church or elsewhere.
Very nice.
So we're now up on the hill climb. Let's see what these vehicles can do.
Yeah, well, I think I made the right choice in certainly fit in with the dress code anyway.
It does fit in the
Yeah.
All you need is your elf hat.
Yeah, just need a deer stalker.
Or a time for another pint.
Perfect.
Go.
Well, it chocks away and off they go, all being like the wacky races. This is a scene that would fit right in Bonnie and Clyde. It's not just for fun, you know. Battling it out for a pint of the freshest cider certainly takes it out of you. Well, this is an event that's been running since the late 30s. Looking at some of the drivers, I certainly can believe it. The tweed isn't just for show, you know. It's jolly warm and jolly repellent of anything moist. Plethora of fun. Jolly good show. Jolly good show.
Oh yeah.
I'm not quite sure you can hear me over the tractor. However, Ralph is a collector of vintage farming machinery, like some of the examples behind me. Concludes our weekend at Ralph's Cider Farm and the vintage sports car Hillclimb. This morning we did have substantial hangovers thanks to the amazing cider and perry that they do here. I'll drop a link in the description below. So that's it for this week. We'll see you next time. Bye. Autumn in Wales brings along a host.
Sorry. And a fly straight in my ear.
Autumn in Wales brings along a host of many. Autumn in Wales brings many exciting things. So this weekend, where are we? Okay. Autumn in Wales brings a host of many fun and exciting things. So this weekend, we're in New Radnor in Powys, visiting of many fun and exciting things. So this weekend we have come to Old Radnor.
New Radnor, isn't it? Or Radnor? Hillclimb.
So this weekend we visited Ralph's Cider Farm in Radnor.
Series 1 Land Rovers. We ordered so many Series 1. Fuck me. In 1949, the Army. Sorry.
That's amazing.
Intro. 19.
Say whichever gift you want. There ain't no one than you. Darling, kiss my lips until they're bruised and blue. Oh, there's only you. Rob me of bitterness. Borrow my doubts now. Take all my weaknesses.
Ralph is a fine collector. No, I'm not quite sure if you can hear me from all the noise behind us, but Ralph likes to machine. You can hear me? No. I'm not quite sure if you can hear me from the track. No. Well, I'm not quite sure you can hear me over the tractor behind me. However, Ralph is a